almost 50 people watching now. This is 10 minutes of the broadcast. And I want you pay attention to what we are doing here. It may help you in your normal life. The voice you are going to listen again, because I have to take it back. The voice, this voice note that you're about to listen to is from one of our brother, Iko Tuoye. Iko Tuoye is a spanner holder on my platform here. He was, because I removed it. He sent a message to why he's such in France. This message is not today. This is not just today, but for you to know, honestly, I have seen not less than 10 or 15 voice notes of this particular guy, but I intentionally ignored it. But this one hit me differently because of the way he presented his words. I don't like it at all. That's why I said some people, you see somebody that is somehow quiet and calm, you take it for granted. To you, it is stupidity. The person don't know what to say. What he said here, he said, I'm afraid of why he's such a. Wow. I'm afraid even to mention her name. That was then, because I don't think he will say the same thing now after watching my recent program on the why he's such a. But for you to know the kind of people, he is here. He always come here and flash himself and go, trying to talk down on me. It is good. I'm not going to interrupt this voice message again. Let us hear him. Then if you have something to say, we'll say it. But I want to clear your ear. Understand what he's trying to do here. Listen.
I want to go on a program. I want to get now 1 year and a day. I want to get Boko or be a for his support again. You want to know the only you only grab your home his support. Or we get more damage, or we get more book. Or we can wash from looking Caribbean, be your attitude. And have you again Nagina Dr. Mbosora Bese or the government, they wear what I hear. Man, what I hear no need me. What I hear no need me. On the Namahon. I like Puranam Kishu Pian, Kilin no Tali. A pianaya, Talija, ito Utrayana class again. Pia is Tali. Amam Nakilin Naga Ijon. Asina, Omoputa. Yes, Kelena, Honoria, hot. Kelena, no, hot. Ineria, a bona tuto. Tiago, 1 night, okay, okay. Reports. Okay. Omoputo Benaho, which Parigole, Azuria. If you need to do no case in or what I want here. If you go to where to do no case in Ulo, put them here. Or just no Maputa, if you are go. And I like what I'm kissing with Piana or Tali. If you are Tali, if the program woman and no to ta or we ma bali. Egwu hoya oge aha egwu hoya oge aha o si na o sendere gi usi na igwe gi mo amoro mo diri usi o sendere gi igwe gi mana enta kala Biafra icho izaya ị ga-achọkwa hapụ ya maka ọ bụrụ na ọ chọburu inwa nke weziokwu mgbe ọ hụrụ ihe ọ karụ iju gị mana ọ jege gị ya nwapụta bịa conclude ma chefuo na otu nnọkọ ezinụlọ a our prime minister Obata Obi nọ n'ime ya, COS nọ n'ime ya, Ngozi Orabaeze nọ n'ime ya, Nkere nọ n'ime ya, ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ nọ n'ime ya, mana ọ na-ama mana mgbe ị pịara ya ụtalị iwere ya nke ya program ọ bịara mee egwu ya bụ aha gị so alakịrị m ihe mere a sị na onye si na ọ bụrụ ya ọ bụrụkwana ya ọ ga-eme enwere onye ibe na-esi so onye ọzọ m chọkwara n'ikwu aha again ka m bịakwa onye nta akụkọ ala Biafra.
Okay.